Ready to immerse yourself in the French capital of Canada without leaving your seat? Join us on a virtual journey and discover a stunning student haven just a mile from the beating heart of Montreal. Introducing Harrington Housing Sherbrooke, where student living reaches new heights. Choose from a variety of living spaces, from studios to non-en suites, each fully furnished with all the student essentials. Picture plush beds with linen softer than a French croissant, a dedicated study area, spacious wardrobe, and bookshelves, all topped off with a TV for those well-deserved breaks. But wait, there's more. Cook up a storm in the well-equipped kitchens, freshen up in modern bathrooms, and say adieu to laundry worries with a convenient on-site washer-dryer. Need to unwind? Dive into the indoor pool, sculpt your physique in the gym, or simply melt away stress in the sauna. Because at Sherbrooke, it's not just accommodation, it's a Montreal masterpiece. Immerse yourself in the cultural delights of Montreal, from the Museum of Fine Arts for art enthusiasts to the trendy Plateau Mont Royal neighborhood for all you cafeholics. Plus, you're just a short walk away from Université du Québec of Montreal and McGill University. All this, and you're in the hockey capital of the world. Ready to make your mark? Your ticket to a golden youth is just a click away. Visit amberstudent.com for more details and turn those dreams into reality.